People, welcome back to my channel. It's good to be back again today. If you are new to my channel, thank you for subscribing and I welcome you. Welcome. Extra Step CEO YouTube channel is where I share business ideas on business you could start with or without money, where I talk about business tips that helped me in my entrepreneurship journey. On this channel, I inspire you to monetize any skill that you have and you know you could develop. I tell you it's something that will yield money for you. I motivate you, whatever it is that you're thinking, whatever business ideas that you've got in your head, just write it down and see how the plan can be, see how it can become a successful business. All it's in the planning. And I would also be sharing with you some products that I use in my everyday life, some software that helped me in this entrepreneurship journey. So this year 2020, I tell you it's going to be a jolly ride together on the Extra Step CEO channel. Thank you so much. So let's go right into today's video, where I particularly would be talking to content creators. So the first thing we need to establish is who are content creators. Content creators are people that put information on media. It could be digital media, it could be paper media, it could be online and offline. These are content creators, like YouTubers or anyone that puts any content, any information on social media. They are being classified as content creator. All right, so as content creators, I'll be sharing with you on this video some business ideas that we could implement even being YouTubers. Number one that you could do right from now is being a tour guide. Yes, tour guides are those people that help tourists around the area, like tourists that comes into their community. They take them around to tourist attractions. They take them to places to visit. These are tour guides. Like, you tell them story about places, you take them to where they would catch fun and enjoy. I see YouTubers going around vlogging about things happening in their community, in their society. These are places that tourists would want to visit. It could be a means of money making for content creators. Like, just register with Tourist Guide Association in your community. You should have a business pitch by now, so that whenever things like this come up, you know what to do and you know where to take them to. And you check in your area if these are businesses that you could register, so that you know the law guiding the registration of such business in your area. Second thing that we can make use of is selling recipes. There are so many channels on YouTube that make yummy dishes. These are recipes that you could sell to magazines. You could sell to hotels. Just sell these recipes and you'll be surprised at what you could make in. Number 3 on my list is you could compile your travel videos and sell to tourist companies. You can create video ads for hotels. You can create video ads for site attractions. You know, all these places that you visit, that you make video of, you can sell your videos to them as well. They would buy it because it's a promotion you've made for them. They would buy it. So if you've not tried, don't say no. I keep saying that if you've not tried, then don't say no. But I know it is possible. Then another thing that you could do as a content creator, if you do not want to have your own website, like you're not ready to start the trouble of driving traffic to your website, but you're very good at writing, become a guest post for other websites. People are being paid for doing this, for writing blog posts for websites. They pay them. So if this is something you want to do, it's a good thing to do as well. I have some websites that I've worked for in the past that you could write blog posts and they pay as much as $100. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. Just check the website. Number 4 on my list is narration of audiobooks. Yes, you heard me right. Yeah, people are being paid for narrating audiobooks. Just go on Facebook and join groups that narrate audiobooks. Most that I know of are groups on Facebook that are into narration of audiobooks, and you'll be paid. Number 5, becoming a personal shopper. People back home, I'm from Africa, I'm a Nigerian. I have friends and family that wants me to buy clothing from them right from the States and send it to them in Nigeria. This I do very well. I don't have to use my money. They pay me for it. Like as soon as they want it, or if they are ready to buy it, they just credit my account and I go shopping. And do you know what? Since I do it in the comfort of my home, that's another good thing. And once I shop, it's delivered and the courier service picks it up, and in 2 to 3 weeks it's in Nigeria. So it's something I enjoy doing. It's something that don't give me stress at all, and it gives me extra income. These are 5 income streams that you could consider as a content creator, and you'll be surprised at how much you could make by the side without necessarily going through so much stress. It's something you love doing. It's something you're doing already. So why not make money out of it? You really do not have to place any advert. You advertise for yourself. So I encourage you to have your business pitch. You should have your pitch already that you could just tell someone, this is what I do, this is what I can help you with. So that when you even make your YouTube videos, you put it there that this is what you do proudly, and before you know it, you are in extra business. Okay, so if these are businesses that you've done before or that you're doing, please in the comment section, I would appreciate if you can share your experiences with us. It's something I would really love to read and interact with you. Thank you so much for watching today. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube, subscribe and press the notification bell so that when I have new videos uploaded, you would be notified. And like I said, it's going to be a smooth, jolly ride together on this channel this year, 2020. And to all my old subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you. And keep your comments coming in. Keep your emails coming in. See you later. Bye now.